Today, the pressures of customer demands and the competitive challenges that small manufacturing companies are facing with complex supply chains really require that they get better control over the flow of materials through their business. They govern their processes with an appropriate technology. Tricorn for us is that technology for allowing small companies to implement an easy to implement, quick to implement MRP system. The days of paper and pen, even may I say the days of spreadsheet, are over. People to be competitive, to drive productivity, to allow themselves to find ways to improve productivity, really require the right technology to underpin their business. And at Tricorn we're very proud. We've got hundreds of customers, thousands of users now, and we're very proud of Tricorn enabling companies to improve their productivity. Easy to implement, quick to get to grips with, not overly complex, clear workflows, fantastic support from our team, and now that we're part of the value chain group of companies, we have opportunities to start to bring new innovations to the capability as well through easy to implement apps. So I think that puts us in quite a unique position. We're really designed from the ground up for small companies to get on board with Tricorn quickly and efficiently, return value in the shortest time possible. We're actually just embarking, and part of me joining the company is to take us through a process of evolution. We're going to be bringing together the MRP systems within the value chain within the value chain company, and within Tricorn we're going to be bringing them together onto a single platform, preserving the best of what is Tricorn, of what our customers know and love about the Tricorn capability, but also bringing in the more advanced capabilities and more complex and demanding capabilities that exist within value chain DNA, SME and DNA SP. We're going to be bringing them together onto a single platform which will integrate very effectively with the value chain apps as well, many of which are designed to allow organisations to start to realise the benefits of this fourth industrial revolution, this industry 4.0, which is, you know, for me, I like straight talk, so for me it's all about automating everything you can automate, taking advantage of robotics, taking advantage of additive manufacturing where appropriate, and then blending those with traditional, delivering to time, being lean, being efficient, and improving productivity. So I'm not a big one for buzzwords, but what I do like is delivering value for our customers, and I think the period of innovation that we're now embarking upon will really do that with Tricorn, with the Tricorn solution. But also maintaining the great work that Tricorn has done over the last decade of delivering solid, robust, easy to use solution which does what it says on the tin, and we'll be having additions of the Tricorn platform which are appropriate for the size of organisation that we're addressing, and will also allow organisations to grow, our customer precision engineering companies to grow with Tricorn and move up with capability and only pay for what they're using, in fact, which we think is an exciting model moving forwards. No, we've got exciting times ahead. We're moving to a subscription model, which we think our customers will enjoy, especially as new customers come on board. What I do want to stress is that our existing perpetual license holders will be looked after. Those licenses will be respected, and they will be able to upgrade on the strength of those licenses. And our new customers will bring them in on a subscription model.